Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Morningstar Stock Screener Easy Guide. Open Morningstar and click Screener, then choose a preset or start a custom filter. Begin with sector, market cap, and valuation metrics to focus results. Add dividend yield or growth rates if income or growth matters to you. Adjust ranges, preview matches, and refine filters until the list feels manageable and actionable. Choose a few essential filters to avoid analysis paralysis. Start with sector and market cap, then add valuation and quality metrics to narrow choices. Use range sliders and exact values for precision, and preview how many names match as you change settings. Save successful filter combinations as templates so you can rerun them quickly. Reviewing a saved screen weekly keeps ideas fresh without rebuilding the same filters. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab leak-proof containers for meal prep so you can focus on research instead of spills. They keep lunches tidy and save cleanup time. I love how they stack neatly in a fridge or bag and cut down food waste with portion control. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your screen returns results, sort by the metric that matters most and start vetting names. Click into each profile to read business summaries, financials, and Morningstar analysts' notes. Look for consistency in revenue, margins, and return on capital before adding to a watch list. Exporting to a spreadsheet helps compare metrics side by side, and saving top picks into a portfolio simulation reveals long-term performance potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.